Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Ricky2365. My name is Freak and this is your channel. So guys, today we have the new COX modem. This is the CGM4331 COX. What are we going to be doing with this device today is we're going to be setting this up on a network, and we're going to be doing a test between the old panoramic modem. I will show you a picture in a minute, and the newest CGM, guys. I think this device will definitely improve the connectivity in my house. I do have the Gigablast, um, the Gigablast package in my house, which is 1 gig down and up to 35 megs up. I really hope that the speeds remain the same. But the one thing that I'm very excited about is in this device, port 4, this port right here, guys, is rated at 2.5 gigabytes per second. So I'm going to use port 1, 2, and 3 for 3 different devices that I have connected in my network right now, hardwired. Port number 4 will go uh, to a router that I have, which is one of those Asus. I'm sorry, it's a Netgear Nighthawk. Okay, and it's the Wi-Fi 6 as well, like this. I will be running two different Wi-Fi 6, two different Wi-Fi networks in the house for different components. Let's see if we put this one to the test and then give the results that we're looking for. Anyway, guys, if you like the video so far, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like the video, share the video, comment on the video, so other people can get the word on what's going on. So pretty much what we're gonna be doing, guys, it's we're gonna be taking the old modem out. We're gonna be connecting the coaxial cable right here. We're gonna provide some power, and we are going to call customer service. Okay, guys, so right now we are doing the networking part of the video. Right now I have my COX panoramic modem connected right now, and I'm gonna be doing a comparison of the different speeds. Okay, the first thing I want you to know is that I'm in Tucson, Arizona. If you are in Tucson, Arizona, the best and you're doing a speed test, the best server to do a speed test is this one here that says Tucson, Arizona, log in that Inc. Okay, this is the one that I've been using all the time, and this is the one that we'll be using for all the different scenarios. So we're gonna change that to login. Okay, you guys can see it right there. And the first, there's no, as you guys can see, there's no apps running on the background. So it's purely 100% just the computer with the browser, with Chrome browser open. And we're gonna be doing a speed test. So let's see what we got. That's much better. You know, not too thrilled with the speed that I'm getting right now. I'm gonna refresh the page, and then I'm gonna change the server. Okay, we're gonna change the server one more time. We're gonna change it to something else real quick. Okay, we're gonna try Phoenix. Okay, we're gonna try Phoenix. It's looking good. Okay, and again, these speeds that I'm getting right here. Okay, guys, these speeds that I'm getting right here are coming from the modem, The modem is not directly connected to the PC. The modem is connected to a router, and the router is connected to the computer. Okay. Um, I'm gonna be trying. I'm gonna be trying now. The modem connected directly to the PC. Okay. So we got two different results. Let me see my results real quick. Make sure that we are uh, saving those results. So we got 560, 92, and 3403, and 945, 37, 32.57. So download speeds are good. What I'm more interested is the upload speed, guys. I can tell you, I can't wait for Cox to improve the network in this residential area. By the way, it's brand new, Cox. If you're listening to it, we need fiber optic here, man. Like for real, I definitely need it. It will help me out tremendously to make these videos. But anyway, let's go try with the new. I'm sorry. Let's go try directly from the old modem to the PC. Then I'm gonna be calling Cox to install the new modem, and then we will try the whole setup just like we did before. Okay, one from the two from the router using login and Phoenix, and two from the PC. Let's go. Um, the intent of today's video was to give Cox an opportunity to redeem themselves and to provide me with great customer support, but I wasted 40 minutes of my life calling Cox. Okay, they do have optimized their automated service, which I got to tell you that is better for the internet savvy and maybe to the internet inclined, not too savvy, but just inclined. Um, the one thing I'm going to recommend to you guys is, as you guys are getting Cox, Xfinity, whatever the case may be, at least my experience with Cox is make sure that you have the Cox Wi-Fi app ready to go. Make sure that you know your password. Make sure that you have your username and password for everything, because that's the only way that you will be able to um, upgrade your devices with the least amount of hassle. Um, I was today on the phone for 40 minutes just talking to the Cox representative. Just pretty much, I have them on the phone while I was doing my own troubleshooting by logging into the app or by trying to add, you know, access the gateway, the modem with my username and password. It was just a mess, guys. So if you are having any issues about your modem, okay, as long as you can go into the Wi-Fi app, Cox Wi-Fi app, you will be able to change the default password of that modem. Okay, but to do that, you need to be connected to the guest Wi-Fi account on that modem, if it makes any sense to you. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna show you what I went through. It's gonna be a pain in the ass. Hopefully you don't like it. Anyway, and I gotta tell you, there's no improvements, not substantial improvement from the old box into the new box. The only thing that I see different so far for the 2 hours that I've been working on is that the previous modem was blocking Mocha. The new modem is not. So I'm thrilled to see if Mocha will stay on for for as long as I want it, because I'm paying for the service. So I think this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me show you. Anyway, guys, and again, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like the video, share the video, comment on the video. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Help me determine the right representative. Please choose one of these options: technical support, billing, add service, remove service,
Technical
or
support.
say, I'm moving. Or tell me what you need assistance with.
Okay, guys. So right now we are calling Cox customer service. Let's see what they have to say. Okay. Looks like my modem is trying to access the internet right now, but we're not gonna use that right now.
For Four Ethernet ports, three. Yeah, but I do see it supports the Wi-Fi 6.
Perfect. So I need to use different pages.
Um, okay. Now, since we've got that up and working for you, is there anything else that I can help assist you with today?
No, that'd be all.
Okay. Well, I do appreciate you calling in, and I am absolutely thrilled that we got everything up and running for you. I just want to tell you before I let you go, I hope you have a wonderful weekend, okay?
Thank you so much.
All right.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, guys. So as you guys can see, I was able to access the modem. It took me hell of a time, man. I mean, 35 minutes to get them on the phone. Well, probably 40 minutes because I was on the phone with somebody else at the beginning. So I just gonna speed up this pretty quick. I will tell you that the easiest way now that I went through the process is for you to go to Cox. Make sure that you have your Cox Wi-Fi app, and you can do everything through the Wi-Fi app. Yeah, if you have some common sense, you can do everything through the Wi-Fi app. Customer service, I don't think they helped me out too much today. So I wasted 35, 40 minutes of my life. I'm not getting it back. But anyway, guys, the connection is ready. I'm going to make sure that everything is good to go. And then let's go straight to let's go make this the speed test that we need to do. I made some already. Connected directly to the computer. We're going to be using Phoenix right here first. That's the server on Phoenix. Looks like we're getting 900. So there's no improve of speeds, I think. You only get additional ports pretty much, and a better Wi-Fi from that box, down from the panoramic box. So it's not that bad. So yeah, no improves on the speeds. I don't want to waste your time, guys. This is my review on the new COX modem. So if you have the black box, I will tell you, and it's working perfect. You don't have to go change it to get the new one unless you need the extra two ports and the Wi-Fi 6. But I really don't think that it's such a huge improvement. So at least I don't see something any substantial improvement. So yeah, this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel. Bye.